Oh,
No.
Stay.
Oh. No.
What is it? What is it?
What's going on, Joy fam? So really quick before the video starts, I've decided to do another iPhone giveaway, and guys, this time I'm gonna be giving away an iPhone XS Max. So if you guys want to win this iPhone for free, all you gotta do is subscribe down below, turn on those post bell notifications to get notified when I post videos, so you guys can enter to win this free iPhone. If you guys want hints when I'll be posting this live stream, make sure you follow each social media link down below, and you guys might have a really good chance at winning. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoy the video, and I'll see you there. What is going on, Joy fam? Welcome back to another video. Guys, we are back at the Prize Palace claw machine. Check this out. They put the mystery box back in the machine, so we're gonna see if we can win some of these. I've been pretty fortunate with these. The only thing that has changed is it's $5 a play now, which is pretty insane. I don't know any arcade game around anywhere near here that's $5 a play, so there better be some good stuff in this box. I have some money on me now. I'm probably gonna have to go hit the ATM in the mall though.
Yes, sir.
So let's see, let's insert $5 here. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right. And we are good. Heck to the yes. All right.
All right.
Our first victim. And this is $5, so I really hope that I can win something with $5. Ooh, I'm thinking this one. This one or maybe this one. I don't know. These rubber bands are interesting. They're only on half of the boxes in here.
You can actually get it.
Let's try this. Oh, no.
Let's try. Oh.
And there goes $5. All right, well, let's try for this one right here. The claw isn't, I don't know if the claw is big enough. It's kind of stabbing me. Let's see. Ooh, that might be good. Come on.
Got it.
Yes, there we go.
You got it. That was good.
Yes, come on, stay in there. Oh,
Dang
yes. Good. To-go box. Let's see what we got.
Chicken wings.
Honestly, guys, if there's chicken wings in here, eat them up. Oh shit, that's what we got. Oh, hello.
Wait, you get your money back.
Wait, 1, 2, 3, yep, I got my money back. Guys, guess where this is going? Right back to the owner. Not bad, guys. We got our money back for that last try, so we're gonna keep going. Let's try for this one right here. A lot of people don't know that there's really good stuff in these mystery boxes, because they don't really say anything, or else if they did, it wouldn't be a mystery. But it's definitely worth playing. Like, you just gotta look out for them and play the right machine. Let's try that right there. Come on, baby. Oh my God.
You almost grasped it.
It's a lot painful when it's $5. It's like, yeah, I could have gotten like 5 cheeseburgers right there. Okay. Let's try for the same one right here. Let's try right there. Oh, maybe.
No.
Oh, stay in there, stay in there. Oh my, are you kidding me? Let's try for the same box. Daddy's feeling lucky. Oh, right there. Come on, stay in there. Oh my God, why does it keep dropping?
It doesn't like you.
I know, guys, this is being...
It probably has
really
something heavy in it.
It could be, but it also looks like the claw is dropping it. I wonder if it's rigged. Oh, come on, that should stay. Oh my God.
There's something heavy there, man.
Bro, that's not even fair.
What are you?
Let's see, let's try it. Let's try it again. This machine might have a payout right now. This is not good. Okay, that should stay. Yes, got it. Oh my God, barely. Heck to the yes. Another to-go box. Oh. Yeah, this one's light. Oh,
I
whoa,
hear money.
Whoa. Hold on. Cha-ching. Payday, baby. Heck, oh my God.
Wait, how much?
5,
okay, we got
10, 15, 20.
We
Heck
got
to the yes, guys. That's 4 tries right there.
Only 4 tries.
Oh, dang. I'm gonna go for the box that I think is heavy, because it seems like it's kind of obvious whenever there's a heavy box.
What do you think is heavy? That one?
Maybe. Only one way to find out. Drop it right. Oh, stay
Oh.
in there. Oh my gosh.
I mean, you got it
see
that
that
perfect.
claw? It's like limp. I don't know how to explain it. Right there.
It's just
okay,
so funny how
grab.
you just said, there's go $5.
Oh, there goes another $5.
There goes another
yeah,
$5.
This is like too expensive.
Hey, Will, guess what? You want to do another 5?
I sure do.
Oh.
Oh, get her. Oh my. Oh, it
Wait,
moved
no.
it.
All you got to do is, no, you can't really.
Flop it over.
Yeah.
Pushing the yellow button. Come on. Oh, maybe. Come on. Just get it in there.
You got
Get
it. You
Drop
got
it
it.
in there. Yes, got it. Oh my gosh. What's in it?
Oh, there's something in it.
Oh, oh my gosh.
Never
Okay,
mind.
hold on. What do we got here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We got our money back. All right. I'm getting tired of winning my money back.
It's got to be something worth more than $50.
I know.
Oh.
I feel like these light boxes aren't really cutting it. This one might be easy or hard depending if it falls in, because it's, oh my. Oh, it opened it. Let me see if I can look inside. Can you see inside?
Let me zoom. Nope, it's too dark. It's total darkness.
Let's see. I don't like using the swing technique. Oh, maybe.
Oh, no way. No. Oh, I was going to say that was going to be amazing.
That one looked heavy.
That one looked heavy.
That one looked heavy. Let's try for it again. Let's try that right there. Come on.
Oh, that's perfect.
That is. No way. Say.
Oh, do you see how it fell?
It does kind of look heavier. Let's see. Let's try right. Oh, come on. At this point, I do feel like I'm throwing away my money. So hopefully that's not the case. I just need to know.
Oh,
come on.
Oh. Well, what do you see, Will?
Dude, wait,
what do you see, Will?
Look inside the box.
Let me zoom
Look
in.
inside the box. Can
There-
you see something white?
There's something
Do you
white.
see something white in there?
Is there
Guys,
something white?
I'm not being racist right now or anything. I swear to God, I see a white. Do you see the white?
No,
box?
I can. Right. Look.
Oh yeah, you can't see it in the camera, guys. Guys, I'm pretty sure. See, I think there's something else in there too. It looks like paper. Dude, I'm pretty sure the iPhone is in there. I'm gonna go to the ATM. I'm gonna pull out like $500 because I've spent over $100 already, guys. I've played this machine
5
about
minutes.
20 times. I'm not even.
All right, let's go to the ATM.
I haven't spent this much on a claw machine in a long while. So let's see if this is the one. If it's
Drop
not,
the cane.
oh,
It's gripping.
Oh my gosh. I'm gonna. Okay, I got an
What's
idea.
in there? I can't. I mean, I can barely see.
I got an idea. I'm gonna pick it up, and when it squeezes the box, you can almost see into it.
Oh, so let me get on this
yeah,
side.
yeah, get on that side.
Let me zoom in.
We're gonna try to drop it right there. Oh my
You covered it.
Oh.
You opened it.
man! Playing these games puts you in a really like hard position of, do you keep playing or do you quit? You know, because at this point you spend so much money and walk out with nothing. It's the biggest L you can take, you know?
It is the biggest sale.
So here we go. Come on.
I was gonna say that was gonna be the biggest W you was gonna
I
do.
know. I was gonna go from 0 to 100 real quick. Here we go, bro. Come on. Right there. Oh my god. So let's see. Is it?
Oh,
stay,
oh,
please.
oh!
Oh my
You almost got it though.
Come on, man. That was thievery. Don't do this to me. Don't drop. I know you are going to drop.
Oh my god!
How did I know that? All right, let's try that right there. Oh, oh my god.
it did.
Oh, so please,
Oh, Will.
please.
Oh!
What the heck? Yo, that
You were
was
almost
that
there.
was closer though.
This is heavy. It's heavy.
It's
for
heavy.
Sure.
I'm winning this box today.
There's something in this. I don't know.
I'm
There's
not leaving.
something in there.
And there's something in here. You know what that is? That's courage, all right? I'm gonna win this box and show my haters that I'm worth hating. Come on, please.
Ooh, I wonder what's. Oh, bro, I can see the hole.
Stay.
No.
Oh my god.
I almost saw it though. There's something inside it, bro. Like you actually opened it.
Seriously?
Mm-hmm. It's in the video. You can see it later.
A lot of times I win these by getting like a claw inside the box, but there's a rubber band on it. So it's a lot harder to. Oh, come on, right? Oh, right there, please
Bro,
stay,
you just
stay,
popped it.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. You are a little stinker.
You're a stinker. The 007. Dun, 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 dun,
Come on, please.
dun.
Oh, what is it
What was
doing?
that?
What is it doing? Oh my god.
What was that?
Oh, come on. Oh my god. Guys, I was really close.
Swing dingy.
Come on. Right there.
Oh.
Come on, stay. Oh my god. Oh my god. Guys, I'm taking a quick break. I'm taking a soda break. Let's get some Sprite Cherry to brighten up our day. Because when you can't win a mystery box from the mystery claw machine,
And this is, I think, this is worth
this is what you do.
spending money from.
Yeah, and see guys, look, I could have spent $5 on another try, but I got a Sprite instead.
You could have spent another cola for me.
I probably could have gotten like 100 of these. This is lucky, guys. We're gonna take a sip of this. We're gonna drop the claw.
man.
Oh,
It might be a lucky sip.
lucky sip.
It's like, oh,
I
hey.
can get it. I can
Yep.
get it. I can get it.
It is a lucky sip.
It is a box, and I'm going to win it.
It's a lucky
Take
sip.
a lucky sip, Vincent.
Me too,
Take
me
a
too.
lucky sip. Oh, that's.
That was terrible.
Hope for the best. Come on. Oh my, please. Oh my god. I think it's just really stressful for me because of how much money I'm spending here. Have anything? Don't stab. Yes, come on. Oh my god.
Don't worry, bro. You're almost there. If it's something expensive in there, we can just sell it and just get the money
I know,
back.
honestly, I'm gonna sell whatever's in this box just to get my money back at this point.
Oh.
Please, please. Oh my. We're gonna try right there. Come on, man. Oh my.
Yeah, that wasn't good enough.
Come on. Oh, it's heavy.
Oh.
Or what if there was like a spider ring in here or something? Something cheap. I hope that's not the case.
Oh, I would definitely punch this damn thing. Oh,
No,
oh,
stay,
oh,
stay.
oh!
Let's go.
Okay, what is in that?
Let's go.
What is in that
Hold up,
prize
hold up.
door?
Not even. Not even. Here we go, guys. This is like my most
I
favorite part
swear.
of the video, but it's also the scariest because I just spent $200 on this box, maybe
$200.
more.
Wow.
I think, how much did I spend? Like 250?
250. I'm gonna say
Between
250.
250 somewhere. So here we go.
I'm shaking. Like,
No.
I'm serious, bro. Is it heavy?
Dude, it's a little heavy. Feel that.
Oh.
All right, guys. Wait, know my reaction.
I am.
If
Oh, I
this
am.
I really hope there's an iPhone in here.
Bro, what if that's an iPhone?
I've gotten 2 so far. Could this be?
Wait.
I'm honestly, all right.
I'm
sorry.
shaking. I'm
No,
shaking.
literally. Everyone at home, say a quick prayer, because like I spend a lot of money, and I know I win these often, but I've never spent this much, and it's heavy. All right, here we go.
Bro.
Please, please, God.
No. What is it? What is it? Bro. No.
There's 2
No.
here, bro. Are you
No.
kidding me, dude? Look at that.
No. No. No.
yes,
No.
let's go.
No.
Oh my God.
No.
Wait. Okay, I think the way this works is they're display prizes. So wait. All right, I'm not gonna show the number in here, guys, but
Oh,
there's
yeah,
a number
sure.
I have to call to redeem these. Like once I actually get these, it's worth it. I've spent.
Dude, that's the XX.
I know.
XS Max. And
Yeah,
this is the XS.
XS Max. This is the X. Together,
Oh, that's
these
the X?
are worth like $2,000. Not
Yep,
even.
we're selling that. We're
Dude, heck
selling
yes.
that.
Let's go.
Well, I mean,
Yes.
probably
Thank you, Prize
sell
Palace.
one of them and just keep
Yeah,
one
that's
of them.
what well,
Bro.
I know, dude.
Oh my God.
Yes,
Hey,
guys.
listen, courage.
Courage, guys. What did I tell you? Literally in here. So, yeah, that's my nip.
I'm so happy for you, bro.
Dude.
Give me a hug.
Thank you. Literally.
Give me a hug, brother.
Guys, I'm never gonna do that again. It was
No,
a very
never. This
stressful
is
experience.
first and last.
I'm honestly so happy right now. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys haven't subscribed,
Do I need to like tell them why they need to subscribe, or should they just know
Like,
already?
come on, why
I know,
won't you
guys,
subscribe?
I honestly spend a lot of money on these videos, and sometimes I don't come out and I don't post a video if I don't win anything. But
This
like,
entertainment are for you
yes,
guys
when
to
I
enjoy.
when I do win something, I post it and I let you guys know. So thank you guys for supporting me. Thank you everyone for watching. Subscribe if you haven't. Turn on those bell notifications. Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter. Links are in the description as always, as well as my SoundCloud. Oh, and you know what? I just created a TikTok, guys.
Oh no.
So go follow
no.
me on TikTok.
No.
If you guys want to watch our cringy TikToks, what are they called? Talks or
TikTok.
No, honestly, thank you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing. I'll see you next time, and thanks for watching.
Love.